Namaskar. Good morning to all the parents who are here in Shammu Know Your Kid family. I just wanted to say that much gratitude to all the parents who have contributed generously towards our annual concert this year. You all know that previously in the last few annual concerts, three of them, we have never asked for any contribution, any advertisement, any promotion. Few of you generously donated every time, and most of you asked me how we could be a part of it by donating whatever possible. But we always said that we do not require. We have never taken any concert fees also. This time we had absolute paucity of funds, and many parents, like every other time, were requesting that how could they be a part of it and contribute towards this. So that is why we said that okay, you can contribute. Not that all of you could, because I know that most of you wanted to, but it is not possible every time to contribute financially. It is not that we are thanking only those parents and families who have generously contributed and the well wishers. We are thanking everyone, participation from everyone for their wholehearted support, for the mother volunteers, father volunteers who helped us in smooth functioning of this entire concert. But still, we needed to give you a clear conception of the fund raised and also the financial expenses towards the program. And this time, almost two-thirds of the expenses for the entire concert and convocation were borne by the parents' contributions, for which we are immensely thankful to you all. If any parent who has contributed and not received a receipt of it, please let me know. We will, maybe it is there. Sudipta ma'am has arranged the balance sheet and everything, and also she has made a link to all the receipts, though it is not in the PDF that has been given to you, but that we will give it to you by before our annual picnic on the 14th of February. Thank you very much for the generous contribution. As I have told you earlier, our fees for DMT classes stays the same as it has been since last 2022. Maybe in 2027 we need to go for an modification and upgradation of the fees. I have already mentioned it, because now we have 12 teachers who are regularly giving their services, and we give them a very token honorarium, but still we have to pay and fund for our teachers and our other resources required for a computer and skill training unit. DMT unit at present has 6 teachers all over North and South Kolkata classes, and our computer and skill training unit also has teachers who are and volunteer parents who are working very hard towards its functioning. And we will send you the cost of that is financial expenses of the concert, and also the total contribution from the parents, and whatever we manage to save from on behalf of Samya Foundation. Very soon we are going to get a projector and screen for our computer skill unit, and also required for our mother's meet. And also please take a look at the course which will start in July from Ramakrishna Mission Bose House campus. And again, thanks to you all very much, much gratitude to you. সবাই ভালো থাকবেন। অ্যানুয়াল পিকনিকে দেখা হবে, ক্লাসেও দেখা হবে। ধন্যবাদ।